Nature's elements like earth, water, air, and fire are essentials for life. Fire plays an important role as an enabler and helps us build, nurture, and celebrate. But fire can also be a tough foe if handled irresponsibly. Every now and then, we hear of fire accidents that cause irreparable damage to life and property. We often assume that it won't happen to us until it does. The hero in you fails, and you may lose your loved ones and everything you built for them. Could this distressing incidents have been prevented? First response plays a vital role in tackling a fire accident. It drastically reduces the damage to life and property and can be handled by people who are present at the moment the fire starts. But in most cases, first response fails due to inadequate and inefficient equipment or due to lack of fire safety training. Conventional firefighting systems can only be used by trained firefighters, while the efficacy of fire extinguishers is limited by their range, operation time, and weight. The operator may also suffer burns due to proximity to fire or suffer from respiratory issues. Use of inappropriate firefighting equipment often causes heavy collateral damage. Pressurized cylinders can turn into a live bomb if mishandled. Presenting the ultimate firefighting weapon, the Mammoth Water Mist Trolley by Swadesh. A unique and compact firefighting solution constructed using corrosion and heat-resistant materials. Most efficient in its class, equipped with 150-liter water tank. Its user-oriented and intuitive features can be used with minimal training. Its compact size and lockable caster wheels help you maneuver it through narrow spaces, elevators and doorways. Battery health monitoring display and charging makes it a fail-safe system that is ready at the time of need. The trolley can be started by a simple electric button start. The tank also holds a 5-liter container of foam that can be used by simply turning a knob. Foam is best suited to extinguish chemical and kitchen fires. The ergonomic gun has a soft action lever and a front grip that can switch between jet and fog mode of water spraying. Jet mode is used for deeper penetration and impact in large fires, while fog mode is used on sensitive objects and large coverage area. The Mammoth has a 20 LPM 100 bar ultra high pressure pump which enables gun to deliver water up to a distance of 15 meters and has a 30-meter extendable hosepipe. It has an inbuilt toolbox that stores essential tools and accessories. The Mammoth has received the most certifications and approvals in its class as per IS and EN standards and is useful for multi-class fires. Class B fire is considered the most difficult to tackle. Clearly, the Mammoth easily tames an inferno spanning over 200 square feet of area filled with 250 liters of fuel. Similarly, kitchen fires can also be easily extinguished using the Mammoth's foam feature. The Mammoth's misting feature causes minimum collateral damage even to sensitive electronic devices while extinguishing fires. Even the bare live wires do not pose any threat to the firemen. The Mammoth has been tested and approved by DI electric conductivity test up to 36 kVA as per EN standards. Water mist can also be used to extinguish fires where humans are involved, without harming or hurting them. The Mammoth can also be used for decontamination purposes during chemical, biological, radiological and nuclear emergencies. Here is your chance to be the superhero with the power to ensure the safety and security of your loved ones.